Doing Immaculate Football 2015. PYT 3-box number 2. These came out of the case that we did number 1 on. These are your teams. Our teams, your teams. Yeah, dude. Kid's a beast. Apparently I'm missing a team. Who am I missing? Well, we'll know by the process of elimination. Someone will call it out. Vinny Browns. That's right. Thank you, J. Rich. Vinny. All right, I got him down. All right, good luck, everybody. Here, you want a box? These are cool.
Yeah.
Go put your toys in them. There you go. You're done already? I guess they're not cool. Not 2-year-old approved. He said done. Took the top off, put it back on. What up, Vinny? Let's go Browns. Alright. No, I can't help you right now. In a couple minutes. Here, go. Please. Thank you. All right, here we go. Starting off with Phillip Rivers. What's up, Vinny? How's it going, buddy? Quad. Darrell Revis, Richard Sherman, Eric Weddle, and Earl Thomas. 25/25. Majority wins. We'll check that out at the end of the break. Ho, 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 ho. Who said Amari Cooper never comes out? Rob Act 3. 1 out of 2. Swish. Ting. Sorry, my phone got hijacked, so resorting to this. Yeah, Rob destroying this case. Conley Gurley. Dude, you can't even keep your eyes open. Just go to bed. Mario Alford, 3 out of 25. Bengals. And Sammy Coates /49.
Happy.
You had these two. You had this one, this one, this one, and this one. So there was not a Colts card. Damn it. I saw it. I peeked. 4 out of 25. Des Bryant. What the hell's happening to this thing? Nelson Aguilar to 25. Immaculate patches. Thing's sick. Nah, they just do whatever they want, man. They drink Mountain Dew all day long. Eat packets of ketchup for lunch. This one's name is Frankenstein. Named himself. Jonathan Stewart patch. 21 out of 28. Just let them do what they want. Hope they make good decisions. Ooh, look at that. Bart Starr, Brett Favre, Aaron Rodgers, Brett Hundley. 10 out of 10. Packers. What up, Jim? Rob Act 3. Doing serious damage to this case. Ho, 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 ho. 1 of 1. Carlos Hyde. San Francisco 49ers. Rob Act 3.
Mommy.
The one good 49er left.
Baby,
There you go. Wow.
Mommy.
That's nuts, dude.
Perfect.
And Tevin Coleman, rookie patches autograph. That's the vertical one. Card 146 if you want to look it up. Atlanta Falcons is Greg J. That's a quick nope.
Mommy.
Straight PC. I don't know what you want me to do with it. It's already on. Jim Kelly to 25. Justin Hardy, 25 out of 50. Greg making moves. Brian Urlacher, 45 out of 54. Bears. Michael Pruitt to 99. Greg again. Yeah, Rob's killing it out of this case. Hey, look at that. Derek Carr, 7 out of 10. Boom, Rob. You give the whole case to Rob and Greg. And JJ, 62 out of 99. Delfinos, Boston's dad. All right, let's take a look at the randoms real quick. Chiefs is Euchre. Rams is LA Kings fan for life. We'll go 1, 2, 3. Goes to the Chiefs. 4, 5, 6 to the Rams. 1. Going to the Chiefs. What do we got on the quad? We got Jets, Seahawks. See, Jets is Boston's dad. Seahawks is LA Kings fan for life. Chargers is Greg, and Seahawks is LA Kings fan for life. So there you go. Seahawks. Pretty sick heifer right there. Pretty sick heifer. What do you got? Amari? The Green Bay card. Pretty nasty. Here's your big boys, though. 101 and 102. Boom. That's it on this one. Thank you guys very much. Appreciate it. We'll see y'all next time.